Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got another one from Thien Huong Food, and this is their lemon chicken flavor instant noodles. They're from Vietnam. Part of a meat manufacturer series I'm doing with the company, the first one from Vietnam. So that's pretty snazzy. These are of the purest form of instant noodles, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So, you open the pack. There is a sachet of sachets. You drop in the noodle block. You drop in all the sachets. Well, you have to open them first. I wanted to make that clear to you. So here's a powder-based sachet. Pour that in. And we've got a vegetables sachet. And we've got a oil sachet. A neat little small sachets here. There's the oil. Oh, my speaker's about to die. Well, what can you do? It's Friday. And then we have a little red chili sachet with some. Did I even get it open? No, I didn't. And a little sachet of red chili. Okay, put all this trash, and then cover it for 3 minutes. That is an instant noodle. That is what makes them instant. It's the fact that you can just add them to water. I guess technically I did it backwards. What you're supposed to do is put all those things in and then put the water over it. I don't think it makes much of any difference though, but you be the judge. So what's going on? It is my Friday. I'm very happy about that. I'm like ultra stoked to spend a weekend with my family. We're gonna do a bunch of walking every day this week except for Monday. We've gone out, stroller and wagon, going around town. It's been good. Getting a lot of steps in, a lot of exercise. What else? They just sent out an email that we're not going to have water for a period of time. There's some kind of big water main leak, and they're shutting off the water. So they said that'll be off for a period of time. I wonder if it's off now. We have water currently. But the thing about that I'm worried about is, what about, the bathroom? Hopefully it'll be fine. Yeah. That's my thoughts on the situation. I hope it's alright. Hopefully they can fix the leak really quick. But, yeah. Totally nice day outside. Totally. Sunday is supposed to be thunderstorms. I was talking to my buddy Stumpy, and I talked to his sister too. She goes by Lumpy. They're funny folks. They live down in Arkansas, down in the Little Rock area, and they're right now in Atkins, which is kind of a farm community. They're raising chickens, and they got vegetables. Sounds pretty neat, actually. Definitely out in the sticks, but yeah, pretty cool. Getting a change of scenario is definitely a nice happenstance of the day. I'm hoping we can find something to do this weekend. Maybe we'll find somewhere cool to go. I don't know. There's got to be somewhere around here to check out that's not like full of boats and people. If you know that reference, you're a wonderful person. But you probably don't. But you probably still are. I'd like to think that my viewers are wonderful people. Is it so much to ask that people that watch what I do are nice and good and kind? I hope they are. Except for the people who aren't. But, there's all kinds of people out in the world. A decent portion of them are decent. Wow, this really makes a heap of noodles. I'm going to give these noodles a shot. Lemon chicken flavor instant noodles. That's good. It's got a lemon. I mean, the lemon is very lemongrassy, but it's also not. I don't know how to explain it. Broth is light and thin. I'm just amazed at how many noodles there are here. The quantity is just like crazy. Very tight little noodle block. A vegetable piece. I think that's TVP. Interesting. TVP nuggets. All right, let's do something with this right now. Better hurry before the speaker dies. So beep, beep. Take one more bite of this. Shrink down the quantity of noodle for the shot. Whoa. Whoa, come on now. Come on, I don't want to take rid of all that much. Jeez, guys. I'm referring to the... I'm anthropomorphizing these noodles as... There you go. go. There you go. That's better. There we go. Alright, now can you see, or did I drop a liquid? No? Okay. So I got some chicken. Baked with some, what's on that? I think it's garlic. Some garlic. There's some Himalayan salt, and there's some chicken salt. I think that's the range of seasonings. I'm going crazy with this basil too. I really, really love basil. And my local store has it in the most ridiculous place. But I found that ridiculous place, so now I can get it regularly. And it's pretty expensive though, but it's worth it. Come on, get up there, get up there. There you go. Usually I like to leave it on the stick, but I thought I'd do it a little different. Mung bean sprouts. I'm gonna go with some coriander too. Got a rarity going on with me right now. I've got this headache. I get these weird migraine things rarely, like once. I think in the last while, it's been like maybe twice a year. And they're not like, I don't know what other way to put them other than that they're headaches. But I call them eyeball headaches. Like all of a sudden, my vision just gets horrible. Oh, it's still going. But I call them eyeball headaches because my vision gets all funky, and then I just kind of get a little bit of vertigo kind of feeling, and then it goes away. Usually it has to do with getting some preservative. And I can't remember what I had earlier, but possible. I think it might have been Diet Coke. Don't need a heck of a lot more, but a little. Now that is not sriracha. This is an Indonesian product, but it's different, and it's good. I know they have a distributor over in the U.S. and I just didn't mean to manufacture with them. ABC, or no, ABC is the company that makes the product. The distributor's name is Fusion Gourmet. This is Thien Huong. The range is Thien Huong. The brand is Thien Huong, and the distributor is T&C Produce Wholesale Incorporated, I think. Trying to get it all straight. But we are, now the speaker's stopped. So we'll have to do a silent rotato. We will take a little moment to think about those in our lives that are not having noodles right now, that could be having noodles, but they just don't know where to get any, and I want to make sure that they figure out There's always somewhere to get noodles. You will find them if you go to, especially an Asian supermarket. You will find noodles in great quantities. You might not find instant noodles if they're like in a really populated area and they get sold out. But you'll find noodles, and you can make your own seasonings, and you can make your own everything. So just, do stuff with noodles. Noodles are good. These noodles are good. And look what I did. That didn't take any time. So yeah, it's just about diversifying your ingredients and expanding your horizons where your palate is concerned. And this has been the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If it's Friday, I'm going to say I hope you're going to have a good weekend. If it's a Monday, I hope you're going to have a good week. And yeah, more to come of this Vietnamese series in the next few episodes. Have a good one. Bye.